let's create the account together, because I think there are a few steps is what I recall. So let's make the account together, guys, and then we'll take it forward from there. Can you please open the link I have shared on the chat? rivaliq.com. We are getting into a practical exercise now. Everything that I spoke today was around the front end, about how to seek content, how to build it, when to build it, which platform you can choose. Now, let's get on to the back end. I'm going to do this, try to follow in my steps. All right, we are going to build a free trial. So please click on free trial, which is on the right top. And please put an email for this, okay, which is workable. I mean, it should be a genuine email ID, all right? Once you're on the same page as me, just give me a quick thumbs up. If you're on the same page as me, I need everyone to come up till here and wait. The start of today. Put your brand name of your choice here. Uska bhi URL, which is your brand name, and put competitors in the followed on URL. Now wait.
I mean, since this is one category that had kind of maximum competition, I took this category.
Wow, it's good choice.
This is online pharmacy. It is currently, these are the major players: NetMeds, 1mg, MedLife, and Pharmacy.
Mm-hmm.
So,
I'm surprised. Pharmacy is very popular in Bombay. I mean, in terms of the advertisements they do.
Yeah.
Compared to that, I'm seeing NetMeds is so much more popular. Wow, this is
because NetMeds had the first mover advantage. They were.
Because after Reliance were planning to buy.
Correct. Reliance has already bought over.
Already bought it. So after that, it's
good observation. Nice share. Good choice of comparison also that you have done. You can check their post analysis, post tags, all of these.
Yeah, Amul, Britannia, and Nestle have taken. So, in terms of audience, Nestle shows more, but in terms of net change in the audience, it is Amul that is showing there. I think net change in the audience is the number of audience who join again and again. Repeat audience. Otherwise, everything Amul will be showing higher. Only in the Facebook fan page, the Nestle is number one.
Good observation. Nice. ये तो बाद में रे गर्लफ्रेंड से बाद में बातें करना. ये तो
नहीं सुन रहे.
ध्यान ही नहीं है. सेतु फोन रख दे, गर्लफ्रेंड से बाद में बात करना. सेतु.
Sorry, it was office call. I couldn't.
Who
office
called
girl from office?
Liar.
No, my boss had called.
Show me your screen. I don't believe you.
Yeah. Show me call register.
No, I'm just kidding. This is Set India versus Disney India.
I'll go to the previous page.
Sony is like way ahead of Disney, huh?
Yeah, but you know, the irony is actually in terms of viewership, like in terms of a platform, it's much more successful than Set. The revenue is much larger. They have more content. They have more channels. Disney, but now I'm noticing that Set has a very powerful social media, very popular social media presence.
See, this is exactly the kind of observations I wanted. That's why I wanted to share this with you guys. And now you can break this because this is cross channel. So now you can break this to platform and also understand which platform is it actually working so well. And I think here it seems to be, and it's little which is YouTube because of the category of OTT also. So it's going to be more towards YouTube. But yeah, you can make your analysis better.
Yeah, because Pet's content is available on YouTube, and all content is available for few minutes. Like the entire episode is available on the OTT platform.
Right.
But you can watch like a Kapil Sharma, 7 minutes of a Kapil Sharma episode, 6 minutes of a Kapil Sharma episode.